It's 2025, and like every new year, everybody sets goals that he or she wants to achieve before the year ends. If you really want to get ahead in your finances this year than most people, these AI side hustle ideas that I'm about to show you can really help you to achieve this goal. These are the side hustles that most people are not aware of, and those who have already started are making huge money. And this year, 2025, it's going to explode even higher. I want you to stay with me till the very end of this video because I'm not just going to share ideas, I will be sharing something that most people don't talk about. Yet those who are already into report to be making nearly $1,000 a day, which you can also start today with $0 in your pocket. And all you need is an internet connection, a smart device, and dedication. Another thing you don't want to miss out is that after sharing with you these AI side hustles, I will also share how you can get started with them. With all these AI side hustles that I will be talking about in this video, my favorite one is the last one, and I really recommend that. So fellows, without further ado, let's get started. But do remember to like this video before it ends. 1. Enhancing audio and images with AI. Do you remember the last time you took a picture of yourself? How was it? See, everyone wants to always have a cinematic look whenever they're taking pictures. Also with audio, you just imagine listening to this video and because of background noise and hissing, you're not able to hear what I'm saying. How will you also feel? By using AI, you can enhance any audio or image. You can reduce the noise that is often accompanied when recording, and you can also improve any image to have a cinematic professional look with AI. You can offer this as a side hustle where AI does all the work for you. You can sell this service to anyone who does content creation such as YouTubers, podcasters, and any other you can think of. For the image enhancing, you can offer it to anyone, including your family and friends. All you just have to do is that you will inform them that you offer this service, and whenever they take a picture, they can bring it to you for enhancement at a fee. For the audio enhancement, you can use these free AI tools called Adobe Podcast Enhancer, Crisp AI, or Auphonic. And for the image enhancement, you can use various free and premium AI tools like Remini, Luminar AI, or Photor AI. These platforms allow you to enhance any image's quality by adjusting sharpness, color tones, and other aspects to give it a professional, cinematic feel. Once you master these tools, you can create sample works to showcase your skills on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook, where potential clients are already browsing for such services. 2. Creating and selling your own ebooks. Think about the last time you came across an ebook that truly caught your attention. Maybe it was the way it was written, the information it provided, or even the way it looked. Imagine having the power to create such ebooks yourself and sell them, all with the help of AI. These days, people are looking for quick, valuable content they can consume on the go, and ebooks are the perfect solution. With AI tools, you can write, design, and format professional-looking ebooks in a fraction of time it used to take. Whether it's a guide on healthy living, a how-to manual, or even a collection of motivational quotes, AI can assist you in creating compelling content and designing a sleek, polished layout. Once your ebook is ready, you can sell it on platforms like Amazon Kindle, Gumroad, or even directly through social media. With free and premium AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, the process becomes effortless. And the best part? You don't need any advanced skills or experience. Simply decide on your niche and let AI help you bring your ideas to life and start building your passive income. 3. Offering AI web design service. A great website is like a storefront in this digital world. Yet, many businesses struggle to create a site that truly captures their essence, and that's where you come in this year 2025. With AI-powered web design tools, you can craft professional, visually stunning websites that not only look great but function seamlessly. You can use AI tools like TenWeb to take the heavy lifting out of web design. This AI tool can create stunning layouts, optimize user experiences, and even generate content for the site, all with just a few clicks. You don't need to be a coding expert or spend hours tweaking templates. The AI handles the technical stuff, leaving you to focus on offering a tailored experience to your clients. You can use this AI tool to create websites for that local shops next to you to entrepreneurs. The demand for visually appealing and functional websites is massive. Once you've mastered these tools, you can showcase your work on social media or freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. And the best part? You're not just creating websites, you're helping businesses thrive in this digital age. 4. Generating AI art for online marketplaces. Art has always been a powerful way to express ideas and emotions. But what if you could create stunning pieces without ever picking up a brush? There are AI art tools you can use to bring imaginative concepts to life and turn them into marketable masterpieces this year. These tools allow you to generate unique, high-quality artwork in just minutes. Examples of these AI tools include Midjourney or DeepArt. AI art isn't just for fun. It's a growing trend in online marketplaces. From abstract designs and digital portraits to themed illustrations, there's a demand for creative visuals on platforms like Etsy and Redbubble. You can sell your art as prints, phone cases, apparel, or even digital downloads. The versatility of AI-generated art means you can easily adapt to current trends or create niche-specific designs for your audience. What makes this hustle exciting is the accessibility. You don't need formal training in art or design, just an eye for creativity and an understanding of what people love. Before we move to the last but not least, which is my favorite, if you really want to stay ahead this year, consider subscribing because I got a huge helpful catalog of videos coming your way and you don't want to miss that. 5. Starting AI faceless YouTube channel. Not every successful YouTube creator needs to step in front of a camera. With AI, you can run a thriving faceless YouTube channel. From generating video scripts and narrations to creating eye-catching visuals, AI tools have made it easier than ever to produce high-quality content without showing your face. There are many channels that cover trending topics, offer tutorials, or share fascinating facts, all powered by tools like ChatGPT or Jasper AI for script writing, Clipchamp for voiceovers, and Pictory for AI video editing. These platforms enable you to craft engaging videos that keep viewers hooked while maintaining complete anonymity. Faceless YouTube channels are in high demand, especially in niches like tech reviews, life hacks, history facts, and motivational content. With the right strategy, you can grow a channel, attract ad revenue, and even collaborate with brands. All you need is a niche that resonates with viewers and consistency in posting quality content. This side hustle is not only cost-effective but also scalable. Once you find your groove, you can automate parts of the process and focus on building a strong online presence. With AI as your co-creator, the possibilities for your faceless channel are endless. And as I said, this very side hustle is my favorite because of the income potential it brings. The opportunities with AI are endless, and these side hustles are just the beginning of what you can achieve. Whether you will start with designing stunning websites, creating captivating ebooks, or running a faceless YouTube channel, the tools are there to make it easier than ever to turn your ideas into income this year. The best part? You don't need to be an expert to get started, just a willingness to learn and take action. So what's stopping you? Dive in, explore these tools, and find the hustle that resonates with you. I have started and you too should. Don't say you're waiting for the perfect time. It never comes. 2025 could be your year to build something incredible, and with AI by your side, the possibilities are limitless. Let's make it happen, fellows. If you have learned something from this video, consider subscribing and also like this video to show you indeed enjoyed it. If you have any contributions or questions, kindly let us know in the comments section.